What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Copart for another Copart walk around. Let's jump into this today with number one on my list, an old school looking trailer. So here it is. We have a 2018 travel trailer that looks retro. It's got an old school look to it. I think this is really cool. I have not cheated and checked it out first. Like, we're gonna do this together. I love the look at it. It's got some damage in the back though. We'll take you back there and we'll have a look. I don't know how bad the damage is. Obviously, it was enough that it was considered totaled, but I've seen things totaled for a broken fender before. So here's your damage. To me, that, I guess to some people it may look really bad, but to me it's like, really? Okay, it's a storage compartment. Who gives a, you know what I mean? Who cares? You use some panel bond or something. Didn't Sam Crack use some kind of silicon panel bond stuff on a Lamborghini or a Ferrari? If you could do that with a Lamborghini or Ferrari, surely you could do that to this, man. Just throw some seam seal, some panel bond or something over it, call it a day. You got a little bit of trim over here, it's kind of tore up. Who cares, right? I mean, you're trying to get it for a discount, right? You want it cheap, so you're gonna have to accept it's gonna have a little bit of damage. It's obviously very small, so it doesn't have much going for it there. This, as far as size is concerned, this is really small. Battery's dead. That's all right. You got your, oh, well, you used to have your propane tanks here. Those are gone. I wonder if it even still has the platform. Yeah, it does. Okay. Let's take a look inside of it. This is one I'm very interested in because a lot of you told me to stay away from roof damage. A lot of you warned me that roof damage can be way worse than what it looks. And if any mold has gotten in, just hang it up because it's over. So I listened. Well, this doesn't smell particularly good. Boy, this is kind of raggedy, honestly, isn't it? Whew, what happened? Good Lord. That stuff did not hold up well. I guess you can always get that reupholstered, though. I think this, like, bay window right here, though, this is nice. It's nice being able to look out and see all that. In here, what do we got? We got a refrigerator. Should I open it? Probably not. You got your flat screen TV mount right here. It's already ready to go. You got your little stereo system here and some storage underneath there. All right. Some PEX plumbing, it looks like. You got a lighter. I wonder if this maybe was a theft recovery or something, you know? You got your air conditioning unit and your heating unit. I'm gonna do this against my own judgment. Well, it doesn't look that bad. I'm going to try not to breathe it in, though. That's not bad. It's not bad. Got a little thermostat over here. Got your stove and your oven. Yeah, you got to be smarter than that. There you go. It's got a 3-burner. Little oven there. Microwave up here. This is actually pretty decent. Although, like I said, it's small. Like, this is super, super small. That's nice. That's heavy. It's not a... Look at that. That's kind of luxurious right there. Very nice. Got your little light right here. Another little window right there to look out of. Then back here, I guess you got your bedroom. I mean, this is great for one or two people, but not for a family. I don't know. I would consider buying it though. Like, it looks good. Lots of storage. This is a good-sized bedroom. A little strange that there's no privacy. There's no door to separate the bedroom here, but I guess, like I said, this really isn't designed for more than a couple people. How does it look up here? Looks good. It's got a vent. You got some storage in there as well. Yo, we got to. All right, well, you never know, man. You never know what can be in there. All right. Got you a mirror right here and a sink right here for the bathroom. Water was left on. This isn't bad. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with getting a trailer. One of these days I'm going to find one. This might be it. This might be it. What do we got here? I don't know how any of this stuff works. Tanks, battery, fresh, black, gray. I guess this tells you when they're full. I don't know. Battery, charge, full, something like that. Water pump, heater, 12 volt. Water heater, 120 volt. grab handle, light awning, extend awning, main lights, dinette lights, wall, lounge, and no lights there at all. I kind of dig it, guys. This is cute. This is cute. But again, for a family, this isn't going to work. But just for a couple people, I think this thing is super cool. Let's take a look in here and see if there's any. Oh, they got a lock on that. That's locked. I was kind of curious to see if it comes with any of the accessories. You know, like I think there's supposed to be like a sewage hose and some other stuff as well. I think it's usually kept here, and no, there's nothing there. What else do we have? What is this? Gas vent or something? Sewer outlet, gray tank. Yeah, again, I don't know what any of this stuff is. That's probably the water heater, the vent for the water heater. Fresh water connection. Shower. Oh, you got an outdoor shower? That must be to clean off the sewage hoses. City water connection. All right, so I guess you just hook a water hose up to that. And then I don't know what these are. Cable, I guess. Yeah, cable outlets. They're all corroded. And, oh, power plug. All right. Oh, yeah. 60 hertz, 30 amp supply. So you could run this whole thing. I like this, guys. I love that retro look. I love the red, white, and the silver. Yeah, I like this. The bids are not much on it. I know it does have a little damage back here. Honestly, though, I just throw some screws in that and throw some seam sealer on it. I'd call it a day because I think the rest of it looks pretty damn good. I'd probably just take this off to give it a cleaner look. Comment below, and I got the perfect tow rig for it right there. Right there. Yes, sir. I guarantee you that thing would pull this with no issue. Don't worry, this is the last trailer. I know you guys are getting tired of looking at it, but here is a Cardinal by Forest River. We'll take a quick walk around it, try to figure out what the damage is. So far, I'm not seeing much. A little bit of damage right there. God, this has got to be ungodly expensive. Ooh, what happened here? I don't know what's going on there, but that does not look, that doesn't look good, does it? It's cracked down the side here. God, how much is one? I don't think this video does this thing justice. This thing is huge. It is absolutely huge. Good Lord. A little damage down there as well. Wow. This is like ooh. Yeah, well, that must be the damage right there. Do you think that affected the slide? I don't think it did. This doesn't look that bad unless I'm missing something. This doesn't look bad at all. We gotta go inside. We gotta go inside. Wow. This is way too big, guys. I'm not looking for anything this big nor anything this expensive. But I guarantee you, when we go in, I'm gonna want it. Let's see. Ew. Okay. What the hell's going on here? I guess we can start here. There's wiring that someone put through the wall and is going through the floor. There's one of your slides right there. Oh, wow. Yeah. There's definitely top damage that we didn't see, right? Look, the couch still has the damn stickers on him. Well, this was nice. This was very, very nice. Good night. You got a fireplace. Big screen TV would go there. You got your lights over there. This is, you're doing something in this. Wow. I mean, look at this. It's got a damn ceiling fan. A ceiling fan. A side-by-side Frigidaire gallery. What? Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Why did I do that? Oh, wow. Full-size microwave. Good Lord, this is amazing. You got an Atwood high output stove. You got a full-size sink. It's almost like you're at home. like you're at home right there. Nice little dinette with the big window right there. Boy, this makes the one I just looked at. It makes it look kind of dinky. Yeah. That's all right, though. That's all right. How do you get in this? Hell, I don't know. I don't know, but there's your shower and your mirror, little sink. You got your toilet right there with, I guess, air conditioning right next to your butt. That's nice. Storage. Hell, it looks like you put a little washer and dryer or something in here, doesn't it? Look, you even got water connections and a drain. So yeah, you could have yourself at least a little washer in there, maybe even a little dryer. You come in here. Remember, the slides are not out, so look at that. Well, that bed's kind of nasty. It looks like someone peed all over it. Whew. Okay. You got you a flat screen TV right there. Wow, man. Wow. Yeah, I told you guys this is executive style stuff right here, man. Go ahead and get out of this. Oh boy. Whew, don't get me claustrophobic locking me in here. What do you guys think? This is nice. I mean, it used to be. Obviously, the top is completely destroyed, and there's a lot of damage to the outside as well. But still, what a nice trailer. Way too big for me. Way too big. Super aluminum vacuum bonded construction. What that translates into English is very expensive to repair if something goes wrong. And there's quite a bit of damage to this on the outside. You can't see the roof at all. I can't imagine what the damage up there must be. Either way, nice trailer. Just a little bigger than what I need. So I think we are gonna move on to some cars. All right, I lied. I lied. I'm sorry. I was gonna move over to the cars, but then I saw this. It's a Rockwood mini light, and I don't really see any damage on it. And I was literally just walking by it to get back to the car, and I was like, it's a little small. It looks like it's got a slide right there, but I don't even see any damage to this one, which means it's probably gonna be expensive. But I thought, why not take a look at it? You got an awning here, you got a little speaker. It's small. It's definitely small, but why don't we take a look? This thing looks brand new. Wow, it really does look brand new. Oh, it smells new. This doesn't even, like, normally you walk in, they got a little bit of a funk to them or an odor, not this one. Got a nice little bed right there with some lights. Look at that mirror. Wow. Ugh. Okay, well, I'm dying to figure out how you... There we go. Look at that closet in there. This is nice. A big bathroom sink. Nice mirror and storage right here. This thing really smells good. It really does. You got your commode right there. Of course, this is a slide that was on the back side to give you some more room for your bed. This is, oh wow, it's still got the TV. You got your shower. How does this work? Somebody's got to explain to me. Does it push in? Or does it just, oh, there we go. There we go. All right. Look at that. Nice skylight up there. Okay. Get back over here, and then you take this and you just wrap it around so it stays. This is going to be hard to get into, but you got your nice flat screen. It still has the TV. Couch is in very nice shape, and it's power recline too. Yeah, this is going to be expensive. Oh yes, you got your power recline buttons right there. Your TV. This is another slide out, as you can see, so it'll scoot back to give you some more room. It's got a fireplace and a stereo. The couch is really comfortable. Microwave still has the sticker stuff on it, the protector. Got a nice, beautiful stove right there. A very big refrigerator for one of these. It's got some dents all over it. I'm guessing maybe this... Yeah, this is not sitting properly. The refrigerator is leaning pretty good. So I'm going to guess the fridge fell and landed up here maybe. I wonder if somebody's ever used this. Let's see if we can open it. Well, there's nothing. No funny odors. Okay. A nice big kitchen sink. You got a big old bay window right here as well. I love it. And this is another slide, of course. I love it. I can't help but wonder, like, the way this refrigerator is sitting, is there something damaged under there? Because that doesn't, something looks very wrong with that right there. I don't know. Comment below, tell me what you think. I've got to try to get my way out of here. Ugh. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. Yeah, let's go take a quick look at the other side. I just want to look at the slide for the kitchen and see if maybe I can see some damage there. I don't know what's wrong with this. This thing looks great. There could be something wrong on top, I suppose. Yeah, so here's the slide that I'm concerned about. I mean, it's got some damage over here, a little bit. Oh. Well, something's going on there. There's wires running through here. There's lots of damage in here. Something went through this. I'll bet that's right where the refrigerator sits. Oh, I don't know. The ones with hidden damage, I think, scare me the most. You know, the ones that look good, but then you get them, you realize there's a lot more going on here. What do you guys think? This thing says it's like worth $45,000. So I probably couldn't afford this one anyway. Anyway, that's it, guys. That's what we've got for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the travel trailers. Comment below and let me know. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Comment below and tell me which one, if you were to pick one, which one you think would be the best bet. Honestly, for me, I'm thinking it's the red, white, and aluminum shiny one. I think that's probably the safest and best bet. Comment below, like, share, subscribe. Stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very, very soon in the next one.